is the Post Office Dial Desk Service. The following record is Catalogue by Dolly Osmond.
The Compagnie Industrielle des Téléphones, CIT, was founded in 1946. In 1971 it became part of C I T Alcatel, later acquired by Nokia, the Alcatel name finally falling out of use in 2016. In 1952, CIT produced this interesting desk telephone, nicknamed crapaud or toad. Removing the Bakelite case, we find that inside the toad there is no anti-side tone coil. Simply the gravity switch, an AC buzzer, a capacitor, some resistors, and an earth key, all mounted on an early printed circuit board. Yet this was a telephone used on the French public switched network. Its secret, an anti-side tone network built into the handset itself. The three contacts on the receiver allow speech to be fed directly into it from the transmitter. The integral buzzer indicates that this set was designed to be used in an office. The dial on this example was replaced in 1969 with a unit bearing the familiar property of the state legend and a double-sided label allowing for local variations in emergency numbers. The cord terminals are accessed as in the U43 via a small plate which can be detached separately from the base of the set. And finally, here's the paster, and a chance to hear the dial and the buzzer in action.